Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Epson ET2650 printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to check IP address on this printer using the settings. So the first way to to check your IP address of your printer is to find it using your mobile app on your mobile device or using your PC. But here is the second way. So first you need to open the setup and find here network settings. Click it and click print status sheet. Click on it and click yes. Wait a while. So great, here is the network information, the first page of the network information, and here we can see IP address of our printer, and using this IP address we can connect to our embedded web server using the web browser on the PC or on the smartphone. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!